Today we will discuss about three main services of the AWS. AWS basic services like core services, security services and identity services, and architecture and design services. If we talk about the core services like Amazon S3 bucket services, EC2 instances, these are come into the core services. If we talk about the security and identity, then we are focusing on the IAM services, identity and access management services. If we talk about the architecture and design services, then we are focusing on the Lambda services, AWS Lambda services. Now, one by one, I will go through each of these services. Like EC2 instances, EC2 like elastic compute services is there, and basically it's a scalable virtual server in the AWS cloud. Basically it's a computer which is a virtual computer, and is on the server side. So it basically utilized for the hosting our web application, running batch processing jobs, and high performance computation. Next one is Amazon S3 bucket services. So S3 refers to the simple storage services, and in this bucket we can store multiple format files. It may be JPG, it may be Excel format, it may be Word format, it may be in number of formats are there. So it's a highly durable and allowable for the object storage and storing static websites assets like images, CSS as well, and backup and archive data, and data lake foundation. Basically we can go further. Next one services is IAM, Identity Access Management Services. It basically manages a secure access to the AWS services or resources. Example, IAM policy granting a user read-only access to the specific S3 route. Like S3 bucket is there, and it directly gives the access to that bucket. So next one is AWS Lambda. It's a versatile serverless compute service by which, like without managing server, we can compute, we can provide, we can computation on the server side, and we do not need to like we have to run the code without managing the server, and we have to pay as per execution. So Lambda basically function triggered by the image upload S3 bucket and automatically created the thumbnail as well. That's it.